What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya, and before we get into this video, be sure to check out my Instagram right here and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm just trying to bring you better content. I don't know what's happening with Supreme. I'm getting, I've had it up to here. I'm getting fed up. I keep getting all my orders more than a week later. This is getting pretty ridiculous now. So the item I ordered was from week 5. Now, usually when I order items on that Thursday, I'll get it the following Thursday. But this one didn't come until the Monday after, so like a week and 4 days later. So I'm getting really upset with Supreme and not getting my orders on time. But before we get into the item that I'm going to review, I want to give a shout out to Kevin because he knows that I don't catch a lot of stickers. I get like the most basic box logo ones, the red ones that everyone gets, but he picked this up for me. He picked this up at New York. So shout out to you, Kevin. Like seriously, I never get themed stickers. I'll buy products that fall in line with that theme, but I will still get a red box logo, and I like red box logos, but I would rather have a themed sticker. No fail with Akira, with Cindy Sherman, with all the other stickers. Like I always fail to get themed stickers. I don't understand why. All right, so based off the title of this video, you already know what I'm reviewing, and here it goes. I was super stoked when I got this one. Of course, you get the Supreme, the giant Ziploc bag. Awesome stuff. So let me pull it out. Ooh, this jacket looks legit. So the official title of this clothing piece is the Supreme Champions Pullover Parka. Now this parka came in 3 different colors. It came with the teal with the yellow lining, the red with the purple or navy lining, and the black on black. Now looking at the choices, I kind of regret not getting red. That red looks fire, but at the same time, most of my wardrobe is black. So I mean, I think I was pretty safe in choosing black. And that teal one looks good, but I don't think I could rock it as well as some other people could. This piece came out on the Supreme website for Spring Summer 2018, week 5. This item was retailing for $218 on the Supreme website. Looking at third-party apps like StockX.com, this is not doing hot at all. And it's kind of disappointing because resellers got to make their money, but you just notice it's like a different clientele selling upon StockX, like a bunch of kids swiping their mom and dad's credit cards and not realizing that they should hold back their items and not sell their items right away. A lot of these kids, I know they probably don't care because it is mom and dad's credit card. They're like reselling, but they're reselling their items for lower than retail. So right now you can go to StockX.com and find this same parka for about $190. Again, starting price was $218 retail. That's pretty pathetic. So these kids are killing the resale game on this. But if you don't care about resale and you're just out to get this piece to actually wear, definitely cop this up now. And honestly, I love this thing, though I can't wear this right now here in Texas. It's already getting pretty hot. I'll probably wait till winter to wear this, but this is a dope piece. I'm probably not gonna resell this item. It's just pretty cool. Now, normally I wear a size small, but in this, I was able to fit a medium and fit it quite well. Besides, you don't wanna look all tight fitting with this jacket on, especially since like wintertime, you're gonna be layering up. I think a medium would fit most small dudes fine. This parka is actually comprised of nylon material. And looking at the lining is done in taffeta. And taffeta is like a silk fabric, and it's done in quilted squares, so that's pretty cool. It looks really neat. Now, talking about the actual features of the parka, I'm loving this. It has the giant champion logo and it's embroidered onto the jacket, the parka. So on the front of this parka, right below the hood, you'll see that there is a pocket square right here. And this pocket square, it has Velcro, which is actually stitched in, so that's pretty good. You know it's not glued in, it's not gonna fall off. So you can put stuff inside that pocket right there. But yeah, I love this embroidery of the Champions logo right there. And it's not like Champion spelled out, it's not annoying. I love that it's just this giant logo by itself. Now looking at the bottom of the parka, you'll see there are 2 holes, and these are the hand pockets. And this is where I think the negatives come in with this parka. And it's not a negative to like strike it off my list that I will never wear this, but it's just I wish they would have added this particular feature. I wish it was a kangaroo pocket, so I wish it was just one straight pocket through, like a normal hoodie or something like that. But they actually keep it in 2 separate pockets. So this is one pocket, and then there's another pocket right there. You can't touch your hands in the middle if you wanted to. But it is what it is. Now looking on the right side of the jacket, you'll see a zipper, which is actually made by YKK. And again, if you've seen my previous videos about YKK, you know when you see that logo, that it is legit material. You're getting a good product. But it has the zipper that goes up a little bit, a little slit. And on the left side is the little straps to pull in your parka tighter. And this pull tab is made out of plastic and elastic. Looking on the sleeve of this parka, going towards the hands, the cuffing is actually elastic, so that's pretty cool. So they'll conform to your wrist. And also they have Velcro, so if the elastic is not tight enough, you can adjust this and make it tighter. So I forgot to mention while we were on the front of the parka has 2 buttons, 2 snap-on buttons, and these are pretty cool. They are made of metal, but if you look closely, and I'll get in a picture for you, it says Champion and Supreme. Looking at the pictures from the Supreme website and other websites, I didn't get that detail, but this is awesome. I love that it's pressed into the button, the Champions and the Supreme moniker right there. That's awesome stuff. And much like other parkas, this parka has a hood, and it has the drawstrings coming out so you can adjust the hood. In snapping open these buttons, you'll have the embroidered tag on here. This is cool stuff. I hate like tags that are just flimsy or whatnot. This is actually embroidered into the lining of the jacket. Pretty much just says Champion since 1919, blah, blah, blah. Then it has the box logo right here and the size, made in Vietnam. And this is the best thing about this parka. It is the lower third of the parka, and it has the word Supreme embroidered into the parka. It is a white stitching, and it just looks super clean. You don't see any frays anywhere. It's freaking dope. It looks legit. I'm happy with this purchase. So what do you think about this pickup? Was it a good one? Was it a bad one? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and ring that notification bell so you'll know when I post up some videos. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, this is Chris Catalunya, and we'll check you later. Cheers.